Hello there everybody, my name is MTX Shift, known in this website as I Talk About Stuff, and today I'm going to be showing this very simple RGB LED. Now I'm a newbie in electronics. I don't have any of these components in real life to do this, so I'm just using Tinkercad, previously known as 123D circuits, which that website is also available, but it's really for I think they call it scribble circuits and PCB board and actual simple electronic devices. The electronic hub, as they call it, is moved to Tinkercad, and they're all under the Autodesk family, so they're really good. So basically what's happening, this is a 3-volt coin cell battery going into, this is the negative pole, which is basically grounding this and all the switches, and positive going to the second terminal of all the switches. Then these output to a resistor, 220 ohm resistor, which goes, this one goes to the green one, and this one goes to the blue one, this one goes to the red one, and this is the cathode pole. And I color coded the wires so you can easily differentiate between them. And if we start this, we do that, and as you can see the LED is really bright and good. You start the blue one, gives blue, when you turn this off, and you start red and gives red. Red with blue gives purple, red with green gives yellow, green and blue gives turquoise, and all of them on at the same time give white, which looks gray. That's just because of simulation. And this is the material list. I don't know how much it'll cost you, but definitely less than $10, I'd assume. Anyways, just a simple little video. I hope to be doing more of these sorts of videos soon and actually upload stuff. I'm recording this on 9 p.m. Yeah, it is 9 p.m. I thought it was 10 and my clock was acting weird. But yeah, so I'll be editing this and uploading it, and hopefully it'll be uploaded the next day. And while it's uploading, I'll be working on another circuit to make a video on. Don't expect anything too massive because I don't know anything about Arduino. I'm planning. I always just plan things. I rarely do them. Like, the only things I planned about coding is Python, which I abandoned really quickly, and C sharp I also abandoned really quickly, and Java, which I've continued on through to the Java Collection Framework, JCF, and I stopped when I came back into JavaFX, which kinda completed, I think, half of it too, and I'm still working on it. I also just set up a Minecraft coding. It's a lot of stuff. Thank you for watching. See you later.